How much should you actually spend on a face toning belt? Because people are buying the $8 ones just as much as the $28 ones. And honestly, I've seen folks return both. The real question isn't the price. It's whether any of them actually deliver that lifted jawline they promise.
Product number 1, Marie 24K Gold V-Line Mask. The Marie V-Line Lifting Mask with 24K Gold, priced at $23.95, it's sitting right in the mid-range. What caught my eye was the combo of retinol, hyaluronic acid, and gold, all claiming to lift, firm, and reduce that double chin look. If you want a spa-like experience at home with ingredients that actually support skin elasticity, this is worth a serious look. The hydrogel design hugs your jawline and neck, which means better contact with the skin, so the active ingredients can actually penetrate. It's also marketed for all skin types, which is important because a lot of these masks can be too harsh. Over 10,000 sold in the past month shows people are buying it, even with 0 reviews yet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The retinol helps stimulate collagen, while hyaluronic acid plumps the skin, giving that instant lifted look. The 24K Gold is more for luxury appeal, but the real work is done by the proven octaves. Now, some people might find the ear loops a bit tight, especially if you have larger ears or sensitive skin behind them. Here's the thing though, it's meant to stay snug to create tension, so a little discomfort is expected. Just don't wear it longer than recommended. This is perfect for you if you want a hydrating, multi-ingredient mask that targets both wrinkles and sagging. Skip this one if you're looking for a reusable or washable option. This is single use. For under $25, it's solid value if you treat it like a weekly treatment, not a daily fix.
Product number 2, Stylia Collagen Mask, 10PC. If Marie's single mask felt too limited, this Stylia 10-pack at $28.99 gives you more sessions for your money. It's got hyaluronic acid, aloe, and cica, so it's calming while firming. Over 9,000 sold, and again, no reviews yet, which is a red flag but also common with new drops. If you want consistent use without reordering every week, this bulk option makes sense. The sheet mask format stays low to the jawline and neck, and because it's unscented and free of parabens and sulfates, it's safer for sensitive skin. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The cica, Centella asiatica, helps reduce inflammation, which can contribute to puffiness under the chin, so it's not just tightening, it's depuffing too. The aloe adds a cooling effect, making it feel refreshing, especially after a long day. Now, some buyers might be disappointed that it doesn't include a reusable strap, it's just the disposable mask. Here's the thing though, that keeps the cost down and ensures hygiene. You're not sharing bacteria from a reused band. This is perfect for you if you want a gentle, hydrating treatment you can use 2 to 3 times a week. Skip this one if you're looking for long-term structural change. This is more about temporary tightening and glow. For under $30 for 10 uses, it's a fair deal if you're consistent.
Product number 3, Romate Reusable Chin Strap. That was a solid disposable option, but the next one takes a completely different approach. The Romate Reusable Chin Strap at just $8.49. It's not a mask with serum, it's a physical bandage made of 95% polyester and 5% spandex. Over 3,000 sold, and it's the cheapest on this list. If you want a budget-friendly, eco-conscious option that you can wash and reuse, this is interesting. The elastic design wraps around your head and under the chin, applying constant, gentle pressure to train the jawline over time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's like a facial workout. Wearing it for 1 hour a day for 4 weeks is supposed to improve skin elasticity and reduce sagging. It's breathable and adjustable, so it fits most face shapes. Now, some people complained it slips off while sleeping or feels too tight. Here's the thing though, it's not meant for overnight wear, just daytime use. And yes, it might feel snug at first, but that's how it creates the lifting effect. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and want to try jaw toning without spending much. Skip this one if you have sensitive skin or hate anything tight on your face. For under $9, it's a low-risk experiment.
Product number 4, Stylia 7PC Collagen Mask. If Romate's strap felt too basic, this Stylia 7-pack at $23.99 brings back the serum-infused mask, but with fewer pieces. It's nearly identical to the 10PC version, just smaller. Same ingredients, hyaluronic acid, aloe, cica. Same dermatologically tested claim. Over 3,000 sold, so it's less popular than the 10-pack, but still moving. If you want the same quality but don't need 10 masks, this is a smarter buy.
The sheet clings well and the ear loops are soft, no pinching. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The combination of hydration and firming helps temporarily smooth the skin, making your jawline look sharper in photos or before an event. It's not permanent, but it gives that just got a facial glow. Now, some might be annoyed that it's the same product as the 10PC, but with worse value per mask. Here's the thing though, not everyone wants 10 masks. If you're testing it out, 7 is a good start. This is perfect for you if you want to try the formula without overcommitting. Skip this one if you already know you'll use it regularly. Go for the 10-pack instead. At $3.43 per mask, it's okay, but not the best deal.
Product number 5, Lauer Cosmetic V-shaped belt. The Lauer Cosmetic belt at $15.99. This one calls itself a belt, not a mask, and comes infused with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and aloe. It's scented with a fresh fragrance, which is rare in this category. Over 3,000 sold, and it's positioned as a hybrid, part strap, part treatment. If you want something that feels active while delivering skincare benefits, this stands out. The belt design covers more surface area, targeting both chin and neck. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wider coverage means it can address sagging along the entire neckline, not just under the chin. The aloe soothes, while hyaluronic acid plumps. It's also alcohol-free and hypoallergenic. Now, some people might not like the scent. Even if it's fresh, added fragrance can irritate sensitive skin. Here's the thing though, if you don't have sensitivities, it actually makes the experience more enjoyable. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-benefit product that treats and tightens. Skip this one if you're fragrance sensitive or prefer unscented skincare. For under $16, it's a unique middle ground between mask and strap.
So which one wins? Marie for luxury ingredients, Stylia for hydration, Romate for budget reuse, and Lauer for hybrid design. None are magic, but if you're consistent, they can help. Pick based on your skin, budget, and how much effort you're willing to put in.